pork chop, mash, carrots and gravy. First, I chop my potatoes and cook. Two, I add all my seasoning and add a little bit of oil to mix it. Three, I cut each side of the pork chops open but not too deep to get it seasoned well. I place my pot onto the hob and add oil into it and wait until it heats up. Add a half piece of garlic in the oil before the meat. Onto the gravy, I add water to the stock from the pork and mix my gravy powder in. Let's start plating. That looks yummy. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share.